Hello everybody, welcome back to yet another video. In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use the Heavenly Slash, which is such a powerful katana skill here in Ghost of Yotei. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you're going to want to do is actually go to the gear menu and specifically go into the melee tab. And within your katana section, you're going to have the option for Heavenly Slash. To unlock it, you are going to need Ultra Reflection. And keep in mind, this move is an extremely fast, unblockable attack that does interrupt enemies and deal extra damage to staggered targets. To perform it, simply just press circle and triangle together, and it's going to cost 1 spirit just like so. You can see it does activate with like a nice slow motion effect, and it hits hard. It's super quick and super effective, which is great for breaking through enemy defense. But that is actually how you can use Heavenly Slash. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If you do have any questions, once again, ask them down below. But have a great rest of your day. Peace.